Welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. I'm going to show you guys a quick tip on how to make your jerk burgers. Alright, so you guys stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We're going to make some jerk burgers today. Okay guys, let's make some jerk burgers. So guys, I got 2 pounds of grounded beef right here. So pull it off. So that's 2 pounds guys. Work out to about, I think, 800 kg, somewhere there. And guys, I'm using some Maggi all-purpose here today and Maggi jerk seasoning. Alright, if you guys don't have Maggi, whatever jerk seasoning you guys have, you can use. Whatever all-purpose you have, you can use. Alright, so I'm gonna put in a teaspoon and a half of the jerk Maggi jerk spice right there. Teaspoon and a half of the Maggi all-purpose. And then guys, I got a teaspoon of garlic powder. Get a bit inside of that. And guys, I got my own jerk sauce that I make. This is from Will's Kitchen Table. I might have shown you guys the way I make that jerk sauce before in a previous video, but this is it right here. It's just a lot of scotch bonnet and scallion, pimento allspice, and fresh thyme that I use in this and all that good stuff. I'm just gonna get it right inside and I got 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon going inside right now. And soon guys, that sauce will be available soon where you guys can order. Alright guys, don't worry. Whatever jerk sauce you have, you can use. Just mix that in right now with my hands. Pretty simple and easy. You don't want to overwork the meat. That's the reason I don't put it in a mixer. Just mix it right in with my hands. Alright. I'm just gonna take these, roll them into shape guys. Roll them into a ball, and it depends on the size that you guys are looking for. You can make whatever size you want. So I got a hamburger press right here guys. You guys see that, you know, and that's what I'm using today, a hamburger press. For me, this is just 1 handful. That works out to about a cup of meat. So you guys can just roll them up and then just start making. Whatever size you guys are looking for. I don't know. Big burgers, medium burgers, small burger, you know. See how many I can get out of the 2 pounds of meat right here guys. Maybe about 6, 7. You can get more if you make them smaller, but you know guys, they're gonna shrink when you put them on the barbecue grill, so just be mindful of that. So you may want to make them a little bit bigger so you end up with a good size to go on your bun. Alright. So you see guys, you don't want to overwork the meat when you're mixing it, because you're going to be rolling again and pushing. you know. So guys, let's try out the press. All right, just gonna work that down. All right, that's looking good. Yeah. All right, here we go. See guys, hamburger ready to go. All right, hamburgers on the fly, guys. Hamburgers on the fly. Guys, I got another batch in here. Just press on that. There you go. These are the ones that I made. Guys, I just put them on grease paper. So when I'm ready to pull them off, to put them on the barbecue. They're nice and easy coming off, guys. So what I did, I actually put some paper at the bottom. So taking them out of this, make it a little bit easier for me. See that? These are not too thick. They're nice and thin, so they cook fast on the grill, guys. So just drop your paper right in the bottom. If you have a hamburger press, if you don't, guys, you just roll them up in your hand and just press them out, or put them on a board and do the press, guys. You don't have to use a hamburger press. These hamburger press, they're pretty cheap. So guys, that's the quick tip of how to make your burgers. So at home, guys, you guys get your ground beef, get your spices, your jerk sauce, whatever jerk sauce you have, you guys can use and make it. If you make your own jerk sauce, that's great. You guys can use that, or you buy the one from the store and you guys can use it. I make my own jerk sauce and that's what I use, and I'm sure the flavor is up. So you guys, thanks for watching. It's a quick tip of how to make your jerk burgers. You guys get on, it's summer season coming up, barbecue season, that's what I'm talking about. See you in the next vlogs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like this video, thumbs up.